We're going to continue working on balancing equations. This proves the law of conservation of mass, in which mass cannot be created or destroyed. Anything that's over here has to be over here. So I'm writing with a mouse, so this is hard. Anything that's on this side and the same amount that's on this side has to be over here and over here. First thing I want you guys to do, put your parentheses in, because we know that everything in the parentheses gets multiplied by what's outside of it. The only thing that we can change are these coefficients, these right here in front of the molecules. All right, let's do our work. First, we write down the elements that we have. K is potassium, Cl is chlorine, and O is oxygen. Put that down for both sides. Yeah, this is not going to be pretty writing. Ooh, that's pretty good, 0. All right, let's, no, we keep blue. Let's put what we have here. So we have 1 potassium right here, 1 chlorine right here, and 3 oxygen right here. That's it for the left side. Over here, we have 1 potassium K, we have 1 chlorine Cl, but right here we have 2 oxygens, right? You see the O2? All right, law of conservation of mass says anything you have over here, you also have to have over here. We do not have 3 oxygen on one side or on both sides. We have 3 oxygen over here and 2 over here. So we have to change that. What's the least common multiple of 3 and 2? This is your math for the day. 6. 6 is the lowest number that both 3 and 2 go in. So how many of these do we have to get 6 oxygen? We have to have 2. So 2 would change the potassium because we have to multiply it by everything inside that parentheses. That means we have 2 potassium, we have 2 chlorine, and we have 6 oxygen. All right, over here, what do we have to do to get 6? We have 2 there, so each one has 2, so what we need is 3 more. 3 times 2 gives us 6 oxygens. Okay, so now look, our oxygens balance, but our potassium and chlorines do not. What do we have to do? We have 2 potassium over here. We have 1 over here. So let's go ahead and cover up our work. That way you're not working in it. What do we have to do to get 2 potassium, 2 Ks? We have to put a 2 here. Now we go put this in our work. That gives us 2 potassium. It also gives us 2 chlorine. And look, we've balanced it.